Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm baking something to give a shout out to all the moms for Mother's Day. I see firsthand my colleagues in lockdown with their little people really testing their patience, and with all the homeschooling that went on. Even my own mom, who's at lockdown in South Africa on her own, all of our moms are having to dig deep at this time. So this is a really beautiful cake. It ticks all the boxes. It's got red wine and chocolate. I've made what you serve it with is these beautiful pears in red wine. So we're going to serve these warm with the cake and some cream. So I followed the recipe and I greased our beautiful bundt tin, which you can now find. It's new on the Mix-It shop, and it's got a beautiful shape. It's going to make the cake look really, really special. Just put all dry ingredients in the bowl, which is just your usual flour, sugar, bicarb, baking powder, some cinnamon, cloves, some cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and we just mix it all together. So now we're just going to go in with our wet ingredients. Beautiful. Okay. So I don't know if you can see just how beautiful and unctuous that looks. So we're just going to pour it in our tin. It bakes at 160 for about 40 minutes. I've got some more chocolate that I'm going to melt just to drizzle over the top. And as I mentioned, those beautiful pears. So I'll show you the finished result. Well, how delicious does that look? Our chocolate red wine cake baked in a beautiful bundt tin, so you can see all the beautiful shape. We've drizzled it with chocolate. I've got my plate ready with our pears in red wine and some cream. And we're just going to cut a slice of that. How dark and delicious and beautiful does that look? I'm sure any mom would love that for Mother's Day. I'm a mom, so I can have some too. Enjoy.